Good day, investors. Welcome to Investors 24 TV. My name is Johnson. Let's look at technical analysis of AIICO Plc as at August 18th, 2026. Stay tuned as we drive in. Our analysis uses Elliott wave, Fibonacci, RSI, volume, money flow index, moving averages, and MACD to identify AIICO's trend and investment opportunities. On the weekly chart, AIICO is in a strong corrective phase within wave Y of the grand cycle, suggesting potential for another upward rally. Although volume, liquidity, and momentum remain relatively low, MACD's bearish divergence could be preparing the stock for a bullish rally. On the daily chart, bearish momentum remains strong, so investors should approach AIICO with a medium to long-term perspective. Despite the bearish momentum, AIICO is showing signs of recovery. Money flow is improving, while RSI has regained momentum alongside stronger volume. On the daily chart, bearish momentum remains strong, so investors should approach AIICO with a medium to long-term perspective. AIICO presents a potential medium to long-term opportunity, but investors should monitor momentum, money flow, and volume before adding aggressively. For more updates on companies' technical analysis, visit our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, drop a comment, like, and share so you don't miss out on the next developments.